Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Security and Privacy. Following that, scroll down again and choose Privacy section. Now click on Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's features that you wish to manage, like camera. Over here, tap on one of your apps. I will go with Chrome from Not Allowed section and tap on the best option for you. Allow only when using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with allow only when using, so when I click and go back, I can see that Chrome just gained access to my device's camera if I'm using it. But you can always select one of your apps instead and then click on See All Permissions. Now manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!